I'm going to take you through a walking tour of the Spine and Pain Institute's location at 1 Hollow Lane in New Hyde Park, New York. So this is the front entrance of the building. So this is a waiting area where all of our patients sit and fill out their Freesia tablets, which I believe Dr. Chapman showed you on a previous video. This is where patients come through. We have 4 exam rooms here. Let me show you inside one of the exam rooms. Similar to what Dr. Chapman showed you in the Highland office, we use surfaces. Each practitioner has a surface. And what we do is you can connect the surface here so that you can show MRI results. You can go over educational information with the patient. So that's our exam room. And over here, we have another restroom here. This is our staff break room. And then down this way, this is where the magic happens. This is where our fluoroscopy suite is. And this is our procedural area. This is the OR. This is our fluoro, where a lot of our epidurals, facets, radiofrequency ablations, joint injections, as well as stimulator trials are done. And this is our recovery area. We have 4 recovery seats and a clean sink. This is where our nursing staff sits to monitor our patients after their procedures, both with and without sedation. And this is another bathroom. And that leads back into our exam area.